Hello West Point Society members. On this video, we're going to teach you how to go through your privacy settings and update your profile on Sallyport online. The first thing you're going to do is sign into your Sallyport account online, and you will be brought to your dashboard with all your user tabs along the top. If you go to the top right corner, you will either see your initials or your profile picture if you have uploaded one, so please click on that profile picture, and you will get a drop-down menu with different tools to update your profile and customize it. So please click on My Profile, and it will bring you to the page where you can customize the information for your Sallyport account online. Now, we highly suggest that you add a profile picture so other grads can recognize you and find you, but it is not mandatory. You can change your profile picture or update your profile picture from your LinkedIn account by syncing it. Your location is preloaded from the AOG's records of where you live, so if it is incorrect, please email sallyport@WPAOG.org, as you cannot change this yourself. This location will also make your profile show up on our grad link directory map, which you can hide by going to your privacy settings, and we will go over that shortly. Your affiliation will most likely be alumnus, and this is based on the AOG records as well, but if it is wrong for any reason, again, please email sallyport@WPAOG.org to change your affiliation, as you cannot do it yourself in your profile settings. The first section you can customize in your profile settings is the About section. If you click Edit, you can add your industry and skills with drop-down menus. You can also search for a skill, and anything can be added or deleted at any moment by going into your profile settings. Don't forget to click Save after you edit any profile settings, and you will get a Profile Updated banner once you have saved any new information. The next section is USMA Info, and you can start by updating your cadet activities if you were part of any clubs or sports during your time at West Point. Cadet activities can also be filtered as a search under the GradLink directory, so it can help you connect with old teammates or club members. Please note that you cannot update your class year or constituency code in your profile settings, and you will need to reach out to the AOG by emailing sallyport@WPAOG.org if there is any incorrect information. Now, you can add more than one cadet company, and this can also be searched as a filter on the GradLink directory. Again, don't forget to click Save. The next section is your Experience section, which acts as a digital resume for your profile. You can add as much work experience as you want, starting with the organization name, your position in the company, and the industry you are a part of. Please note that anything with a star next to it is a required field, and you will need to populate it with information in order to save it. Again, keep in mind that any information you put in your Sallyport profile does not have to be visible to other users. You can choose which information you want to be seen by the public or by your group, and we will go over that shortly in the privacy settings. The next section you can update is your contact information, starting with your social media profiles, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Skype, and LinkedIn, as well as any personal websites. You can also use group websites for this portion. You can also add a secondary email to your profile. We suggest this just in case for any reason you do get locked out of one, you at least have a backup that we can confirm. And you can also choose which one of these emails you want to be the primary on the account. You can also add your phone number. Again, this does not mean that people will be able to see this based on your privacy settings. The next tab under the My Profile page will be Recent Activity, and this will show any Sallyport groups or pages that you have engaged on recently. The next tab will be Key Contacts. Now, you won't see anything at first, but if you go to the GradLink directory and search for someone, there will be a star next to every profile's name. If you click the star, it will add to your Key Contacts. As you can see, John Smith has been added to my Key Contacts. Now, if you click the black star, it will go away and they will be removed from your Key Contacts. The final tab on the My Profile page is My Events. This will show any upcoming or past events that you have either RSVP'd or registered to attend. If you go back to your profile picture and click on it, the next item on the drop-down menu will be My Settings. The first tab will give you language options. If you would like to change it from English to another language, please go to this tab. The next tab is the Privacy tab, which is most important when deciding what information you would like to display to Sallyport users and other graduates. Your directory visibility will control if your profile can be searched on the GradLink directory or if your profile will come up while searching any groups that you are a part of in Sallyport. If you toggle your profile privacy to on, then your profile will be hidden from all users on Sallyport and only AOG admins will have permission to view it. All of your secondary information that you customized on your My Profile page can be hidden at your discretion. You can choose whether you want all users to see it, only Sallyport admins, which would be AOG staff, or just your key contacts, which may be group members or close friends. The same goes for your email and phone contact information, as well as other information, including your cadet activities, class year, constituency code, and cadet company. The next tab under your My Settings page will be the Notifications tab, which controls your email notifications from Sallyport. You can customize your notification preferences for any groups that you are a part of on Sallyport. Your general preferences can include notifications anytime you are mentioned on Sallyport or anytime the AOG sends out a message through Sallyport. You can also check off a box to not receive any notifications at all from the WPAOG. And please note, all notifications will appear by clicking the bell icon next to your profile picture. Don't forget to click Save, and you can also turn off any notifications for your group settings as well. The next tab is the Billing tab, and this will show anything you have registered to be a part of, including events, and also any membership fees that you have paid to be a part of the group on Sallyport. For instance, if you paid an annual membership fee to be a part of a certain society, it would show up under the Billing tab. Or, if you registered to be a part of a Founders Day event through Sallyport, this will also show up under your billing history. The last tab under your My Settings page is the Password tab, and this is where you can change your password. Now, if you are locked out of your Sallyport account, you can also click the login page and click Forgot Password, and it will send you an email to reset your password. The My Events tab under your profile picture will take you right back to the My Events portion of your profile settings page. Now, these events can also be searched for under the All Events User tab, but please keep in mind not every event through Sallyport is a public event. For instance, if I click on a specific event and register to that event, it would now show up under the My Events page of my profile. Finally, the last option on the drop-down menu under your profile picture will be Contact Us. If you click Contact Us, it will automatically open an email to sallyport@wpaog.org where you can submit any inquiry that you would like. And this is how you update your Sallyport profile and privacy settings. Again, for any additional information or inquiries, or to activate your account, please email us at sallyport@wpaog.org. Thank you.